Hello, I'm Mark Stern and I wanted to give you an update today on one of the most sought after, in my opinion, properties that there should have been or there should ever be in Watford. It's the property behind me here, Cassiobridge Lodge. So Cassiobridge Lodge was built over 400 years ago, and it is known as like the Hansel and Gretel house of Watford. It stands on the corner of Gade Avenue and the Rickmansworth Road, and it stands all alone. It's a detached 4-bedroom house within its own grounds, and it's right opposite the entrance to Cassiobridge Park. Now, this property has been on the market for a little while, and it started off life at a price of almost £1.2 million. We've taken the bold step of reducing the price because my vendors are really motivated to sell, so we've now reduced it by £100,000, and in fact it's on the market now at £1,090,000, and my vendors have informed me that they're still prepared and very open to offers. Now, this could be an opportunity for a family or buyers to come in and really grab a fantastic eye-opener of a property, a real piece of history that will be the talking point of your entire life. So let me take you for a look around inside. So I've been asked about the house and what it's actually constructed of, and is it mortgageable and things like that. Well, this wooden cladding is a facade laid over a regular brick constructed house within a timber frame, which is quite normal for properties all over, and in fact it's a regular construction, but obviously being 400 years old, it was constructed like any other period house of its time. So there are no issues regarding getting a mortgage on it. Current vendors got a mortgage on it with no problem. So that is something that would not be an issue. There's also the garage, and that garage could be converted into more living space. And the great thing about it is you've got this big wraparound garden, goes all the way around the property. So what I'm going to say to people out there is do not be afraid of this wonderful home. This property has had so many views on the portals, probably breaking all records of all-time properties that have had views in Watford. But a lot of people that I've spoken to have said, oh, you know, I don't know whether I should come and look at it because of the way that it's constructed. It's, in other words, they're seeing it more as a museum piece rather than a home. And I can assure you, the people that have bought this property back in 2016 have made it look stunning inside. And I would say it is so worth a viewing. So worth a viewing. So give me a call. Let's come and have a look at it. See your thoughts. See if it's something you feel that you could see yourself and your family or a growing family living in. And remember, we're only a few minutes walk up to Watford Grammar School here. We're across the road from Morrison's and the Watford Business Park Business Centre, and you're close to the Rickmansworth Canal, and we're right in Cassiobridge Park, almost in the park anyway. Thank you.